Okay, so we'll start off with some basic information that works for Excel and Google Sheets. So this is a column, and this is a row, and these are cells. So we're going to start off with combining. So if you had separate cells with information and you wanted to combine them into one cell, say you had ABC and you wanted it to be in one cell, you would use the formula that looks like this. So basically you start off with equals, and then a bracket, and then select the first cell, and then use the AND symbol, and then select the second cell, and use the AND again, and then the third one, and then close off the bracket. And there you can see A, B, C in one cell. Another method is you can add in text information, and it will add it onto a cell. Basically, so you have A, B, C, but you need to add on D, E, F. So you'd start out with basically the same as what's above. So A and B and C, and then you would use quotation marks and type in D, E, F, quotation mark, and then close off the bracket, and there you can see it added on the text. So if you wanted to include spaces, all you would use is the same way we did up here with the quotation marks. You would just put a space here. So basically you start off the same with the first cell, and then you want a space, so you do a quotation mark and then a space and then another quotation mark and an and symbol, and then the second one, and then again. And then I just noticed here I forgot the and symbol. So you have to make sure you have an and symbol between each separate item. And there you go. And you can combine any of these. So you can either insert text by using quotation marks, or you can just select a cell. Oops. Okay. So then on to separating cells. Well, I mean separating, if you have one cell that has information that you want in separate cells, there's three different formulas. You can either use left, mid, or right. To use the left, it will select the information from the left part of the cell. So first you tell it which cell to look at, and then how many characters you want to pull from that cell on the left side. So we'll do it so we want to pull the out of this sentence here. So you do left, and then you select the sentence that you want it to look at. And then the is 3 characters, so we'll select 3. And there we go. And then brown, we can use middle because it's in the middle here. So tell it to look here. And then the character that starts at, you start at the right side and count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's the 5th character. And then you want 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 characters. And then for the last word here, you'd use right because it's on the right side. So you want it to look here, and you want it to pull 3 characters. So you could actually use mid to pull out all of these, but it's just a little bit easier to use left and right because it saves you the time of having to enter this extra character here.